From the beginning itself, the client wanted to have a very calm and peaceful atmosphere, a home which is a perfect blend of architecture and nature. So, home isn't just about design, it's about creating spaces where you can experience that calmness and timelessness. Name Lilly came from the love of this client for water bodies, especially lily ponds.
Hi, myself, architect Abu Bakr.
Hi, I'm architect Deepthi from Aslam Sham Architects. So join us for an inclusive home tour of the Lilly located in Calicut. To watch premium videos and access PDF ebooks with plans, log on to buildofy.com. The link is in the description below.
ലില്ലി പ്രൊജക്റ്റിൽ നമുക്ക് പേഴ്സണലി കുറേ ഇഷ്ടമുള്ള എലമെൻസുകൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഈവൻ ക്ലയൻസിൻ്റെ തോട്ടും നമ്മളുടെ തോട്ടും ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് അലൈൻഡ് ആയിരുന്നു. അപ്പം അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ നമ്മളുടെ ഒരു ഇഷ്ട സ്റ്റൈലാണ് ഈ പ്രൊജക്റ്റിൽ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത്.
Site is located in Kundamangalam in Calicut.
Actually, when we came to the site, was actually
Very bare. No trees, no greeneries.
But then we fell in love with the site because it offered immense view of the valley and lush greenery around it.
Entered from this corner to this side, this is the entry point.
The roof of the garage has been converted to a very beautiful deck, overlooking the view of that mountains and the greenery. Again, we told like when we come to the site, that's the main attraction of the plot itself. The home opens up into this very spacious veranda, which is surrounded by lily pond all around. Kind of creates that warmth and calmness, and also it feels very inviting and welcoming. And from the veranda, we get into the formal living, which is kind of floating in this lily pond.
Sometimes we just walking through that, the children are looking to the koi fish and they are talking to like kind of things. So this is the central hall, the heart of the home. When we enter to the internal spaces of the home, first we see in this space actually.
And it's a double height space with opening on both ends on ground floor and first floor.
Projects we have two living spaces. One is a formal living space and another one is family living space. So sometimes the client needs some privacy, so we keep a sliding partition between these two spaces. And that side we have the open kitchen. For the central hall, both sides we have the water features. One side the swimming pool.
Pool not only adds to the aesthetic value of the space, but then it also keeps the common area cool. So the deck where I'm standing right now acts as the access point to the pool from the common area as well as the master bedroom.
And left side is the lily pond.
The stair takes us to the first floor passage, which kind of acts like a bridge, and it actually connects the entire house.
Then this side we have another bedroom. For this bedroom we have a large balcony area that offers the best view from the site.
And then from the maintenance part, obviously it takes a bit time.
It's not easy.
But we see it as a beauty because rustic things always is kind of what, I mean, client is also okay with that kind of thing. So, yeah.
It's not an easy job actually.
We have chosen very natural materials, as you can see, the wooden flooring, granite flooring, and with time it also get aged beautifully, as we always say. Yeah.
Actually, this is
It's a kind of blend of
fusion of
modern and Kerala traditional.
Some Kerala elements.
But then we have incorporated all the elements possible to bring that tropical feel to the building, and going with a sloping roof for almost every area because considering the climate here. Yeah, that's how it's all shaped with the client. We believe like the client has to be primarily concerned.
Yes.
Whatever our design style or principle we go through, the client is always who's gonna stay and use the spaces. I was really fond of water bodies. But
They just mentioned in the initial discussion, we like water bodies or lily ponds, but
then the design evolved around the lily
Yes.
pond. But I guess it has turned out really well.
Yeah.
And we are happy with that.
ഹായ് ഞാനാ സോറി